This is Scott England again with JSA Foundation Masonry Repair. January the 8th, 2016 in Waleska, Georgia, up here in Lake Arrowhead. Porch has settled down a few inches. I'll go ahead and show you the film of this, exactly where it used to be. And it was right there at that mark, all the way across where it was. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to film this. We have driven steel pipe down somewhere of around 12 feet or so on each side. And what I want to try to do is take this interpack machine we have here and let Bobby go ahead and press this thing into place, and I'll do the filming. All right, Bobby, fire it up. I'll film as much as I can here. Cut that gas down just a little bit. Right there. Okay, here we go. Bobby, I'll look to the left, you look at the right, and tell me when we're out there. He's going to look at that gap on that side. I'm going to look at the gap on this side. And also, we're level left and right. And we're sloping. There we go. Right there. All right, cut your valves off. Valves off. Still level. Everything is exactly back where it used to be from day one. Did not have to tear out this porch. Saved it. Now we'll pin everything up, cover everything up, pour a little concrete. Just wanted to say, another quality job done by JSA.